Everyone's obsessed with Hailey Bieber's glow. That glass skin look that seems effortless, radiant, and completely flawless. You see it in magazines, on social media, and everywhere you look. And you can't help but wonder, is it genetics, expensive serums, or endless facials? Today, I'm putting one of Hailey's secret tricks to the test. A $10 skin glow hack you can do at home. Simple, affordable, and yes, it actually works. Let's be real. We've all had those dull skin days where nothing seems to help. You try new products, swipe through Instagram, and start wondering if glowing skin is reserved for those who can spend hundreds, maybe even thousands on skincare. But here's the truth. You don't need a luxury budget to get a natural, healthy glow. Sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. Hailey's glow hack is surprisingly straightforward. 3 ingredients, $10, 1 result: radiant skin. It's approachable, affordable, and something anyone can fit into their routine without feeling overwhelmed. Here's what you need: lemon juice, honey, and sugar. Lemon juice brightens and evens your skin tone naturally, while honey hydrates, soothes irritation, and helps keep your skin calm. Sugar gently exfoliates, smoothing texture without harsh chemicals. When combined, these 3 ingredients create a simple mask that leaves your skin glowing and refreshed. To make it, mix equal parts lemon juice and honey, then add a spoon of sugar to form a paste. Apply it to your face in gentle circular motions, letting the natural exfoliation do its work. Leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry. If your skin is sensitive, dilute the lemon or do a patch test first. You don't want over-exfoliation, especially on delicate areas. The first time I tried it, I didn't have high expectations. I assumed it would be nice, but subtle, nothing life-changing. But when I looked in the mirror after rinsing, I saw it. That subtle, hydrated glow that makes your skin look alive without any filters. My face felt softer, smoother, and more even-toned. There was a noticeable brightness that no expensive serum had managed to deliver in a single use. What makes this so remarkable isn't just the glow, it's how easy and accessible it is. It costs less than a latte, doesn't require a fancy routine or hundreds of dollars, and can be done in under 20 minutes. The simplicity is what makes it sustainable. You don't need to overcomplicate skincare to see results. Consistency and care matter far more than the price tag. I kept using this trick for a week, and the changes became even more noticeable. My skin looked more awake, hydrated, and smooth. Areas that usually look dry or dull had a new softness, and the natural glow made makeup optional on some days. Even my friends noticed subtle differences, asking if I had tried a new treatment. The best part? I hadn't spent a fortune, just $10, a few minutes, and the right combination of ingredients. If you've been chasing that Hailey-level glow, this might be your sign to try something simple. Lemon, honey, sugar. That's it. Easy, natural, and surprisingly effective. And beyond the immediate results, it's a reminder that sometimes skincare isn't about expensive products or complex routines. It's about showing up for your skin with intention, care, and consistency. Have you tried any affordable glow hacks yourself? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you want to see how far we take celebrity biohack vaults next, check out my upcoming video, Get Kylie's Glow for Cheap with this simple hack. Here in the Biohack Vault, we test the routines celebrities swear by and show you how to make them real, practical, and effective for your everyday life. So grab your lemon, honey, and sugar and give your skin the simple care it deserves. Glowing skin isn't about spending a fortune. It's about doing the right things consistently and letting your natural radiance shine through.